Hi everyone, it's Myla. It's Cozy Plant Vibes and welcome everyone who is new here. Before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. This is actually so much more than I expect from this channel. So I'm welcoming every new people here. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And I'm looking forward to hear from you in the comments. Say hello, please. So today I will share with you my 5 top favorite plants. So those plants, they are actually like my top 5 I'm looking for to see the growth this year. Of course, all of my plants are my favorite. I had to say goodbye so many of them, but that's okay. New growth is coming and new shopping is coming soon because spring season is very, very, very close, but not yet, not there yet. So I'm gonna talk about it just a bit about them, what is the special for me and what I'm looking for and how is the journey with them. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Welcome. So this is the not necessarily the most beautiful plants or like my favorites, but like I said, I'm looking forward to see the growth of them in this year. They are not very big. They are growing slow, so that's why it's give me just a little bit like curiosity, I will say. So those ones for sure is gonna bring me joy, I hope. Actually today I have been in my friend's home because they went to vacation and they asked me to just go and water the plants, and I was shocked because I found Monstera attacked by thrips and my eyes went so much bigger than now, trust me. And yeah, I showered this plant, but I don't think it's gonna survive. It's already very bad, but yeah, it reminds me how many years I have been struggling with thrips, and it's not happening now. I haven't found even one plant from a couple of months. So I would say the get rid of philodendrons somehow helped me, and probably like discipline with some spray and continue with like all of the tricks and tips with some like like the yellow stickers, and checking plants all the time, give them shower 1 time per week, especially in the warm season. So I think that's super important. Now I'm just currently fighting with fungus gnats, and that's it, I think. And maybe I have some not very dangerous spider mites somewhere. I think maybe they can be in my big alocasia there, but I'm not really sure because I shower her every week, I guess. So yeah. Okay, let's start with the plants. They are not in particular order, so I'm just gonna bring them and we're just gonna talk about it just a little bit. And I'm gonna put maybe my microphone here because I don't know honestly why I keep it here in my hand. Okay, so let's start with that. It's not really a common plant. Espostoopsis debowski. So it's cactus. And I don't know, I love this plant. It's so cozy because it's like have a like feather, if you see. Have some like it's very mushy and it's very cozy, and with the spots looks amazing, I will say. And it started to have a, like just a bit new growth, I think. So I'm very curious about it because I saw something super similar, very big one, like super tall, I think around 1 meter maybe, and I was like, wow, I want something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna manage. It's gonna probably take like many years. Yeah, but I'm super curious about that. It reminds me actually also the monkey tail, which I'm looking for everywhere, but I can't find it because it's so cool. I really have this plant in my wish list for this year. So I think I'm gonna purchase whatever I'm gonna find. But so far, yeah, this is one of my favorites, and it's super easy now in the season. I think I'm watering like every 2 weeks, like from the bottom, and it's growing kind of well. But I can see this is just a bit more marsh here, so I think they have some growth here. Another one is Rhipsalis pilocarpa. Yes, so this plant is also one of my favorite. It's super cute and it's very interesting because it's very dark green and have a very like white, of course, like hair around, which is super cute. If you can see here, you can see they're super cute. And yeah, I don't know, it just gives me so much joy. I'm just also curious how it's gonna grow. I think I would like to have this plant very lush. This plant I think I got like 1 year ago. I purchased with another Rhipsalis, Paradoxa, which I love also, but I struggle just a little bit. And another one which I found out I have a wrong name, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm looking forward this plant to grow more in the like warm season. Lately I get some I lost some sticks here, so I hope it's okay. It's very small pot inside, so for sure it's gonna be repotted in the like spring repotting. For sure I'm gonna make video about that. But yeah, it's very cute and I really love this plant. And I think with this pot, handmade from Palermo, it's very rustic and it's very damaged. I just save it for plant from restaurant actually. They want to throw it and I was like, no, don't throw it. I will use it with pleasure. It's even more beautiful when it's super like broken, I think. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, another one, it's my small Hoya ciliata black flower. So I'm looking for this plant to grow because have a black flowers. Yes, it's gonna take probably like maybe 2 or 3 more years because it's growing very slow. I purchased this cutting in 2 years ago, no, maybe 1 year, last winter, I think, in the beginning, in special like event about like garden and plants, and I found like Hoya station, and I just purchased some small cuttings, and yeah, and it's growing very slow, but it's very, very, very cute and mushery. These leaves are super soft, and at the same time they are just a little bit like hairy, like you see. And yeah, and since I just give this plant just a little bit support, like a white heart here, it's actually going very well under grow light. The small growing is coming here, so I'm looking forward to. If someone have this Hoya, can you please show me how it's going, or what is the best to keep growing faster? Because I'm looking forward to. It's gonna kick in this spring. Okay, another one. We have a Hoya New Guinea Ghost. So that's also one of my favorite plants. And also I think the foliage is the most interesting for me because it's very minty. It's very like beautiful. You can see here. And from the back, it's actually like kind of splash. Maybe you're gonna see here. Yeah, so I purchased this plant from like some local trade, and it's cool. It's growing very well, and I love how it's how it looks very special around more dark plants, and around another Hoyas. They are similar, but yeah. This is something special for me, and from one chop actually we can see here it's coming a lot of leaves, so I think there's gonna be such a lush plant. But also I'm just a bit worried because what happened with my Hoya Bella, I just have a one cut and just one stem, and yeah, and when this went bad, all plant almost died. So now I have my Hoya Bella propagation in water on my shelf. But come back to that. Yes, that's one of my favorite plants and I'm looking forward to, and I have a very, very, very small hope it's gonna maybe bloom in this year if it's gonna kick in. Yeah. Okay, and now the last one. Of course, my Anthurium vitalifolium. Now the new leaves came super long. I think it's around 80 centimeters, I will say. It's probably hard to see on the picture that, but it's very long. I already show on my plant tour this plant, so I'm super happy. This plant is growing in semi-hydro in pond. So far, I'm super happy. Get some trips also before, but everything looks very good, like whole, like root system and everything. So I'm very, very, very curious. And I'm really looking for this plant grow even more leaves. And I see like small growth, 1 to 3, maybe 3 leaves can come very soon. So I'm very, very, very excited. I really love like this feeling on those leaves and shape, of course. I think it's giving to my shelf like such a cool vibe. So yeah, I'm super, super, super excited for new season. I was thinking about repot this, but I don't think that's gonna be a nice idea. I have some like small spots on this plant since beginning. Like I thought it's like a scale or something. I don't know if you're gonna see, but when I scrub this, it's nothing happened. I think some plants they have some like mineral or something like that growing like on the leaf or like or in the stem from like minerals or maybe some other things, if I'm not wrong. Maybe correct me, what is this? Or if I'm just talking some not really true stories. Sorry for that. I'm here to learn also. But yeah, this is absolutely one of my favorite plants and I'm looking forward to grow this even more. Beautiful. And of course, my favorite plants changing all the time, but those, they are like top 5. I'm super focused now and I'm observing them very carefully. Honestly, I just want to make some plant chores video, like a next one, but then I realize I have some things to buy and collect and it's still super winter in Sweden and it's still super dark. So far today it's very sunny, but it's not like this every day. I think I will buy some more things first, like I need to buy some perlite and like charcoal, and I need to buy some cocoa bark and other things, and then we're gonna start with the plant chores and then probably repotting in the very soon spring or something like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you have your favorite plants, please write me about them. I'm really curious to see what is your favorite plants and what you think about mine. It's gonna be nice to hear some feedback. And some more care routines and more things coming in the next video, and I hope you see you there. Bye!